In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with an invite link. Whether you've received this link through an email, a chat, or any messaging platform, following these steps will ensure that you can seamlessly join your meeting. First, when you receive a meeting link, the easiest way to join is by simply tapping on that link. You might come across this link in various forms, perhaps in an email from a colleague, a chat message from a friend, or even a calendar invite. Wherever it appears, just click or tap on the link, and it will promptly open the Teams app on your device. Now, once you're in the Teams app, you'll be prompted to join the meeting. If you don't have a Microsoft account or don't want to sign in, you can choose to join as a guest. This option is especially handy for those who might not frequently use Teams or for folks who don't have the app downloaded on their device. When you select the Join as a Guest option, you'll need to enter your name. This name will appear as your identifier in the meeting, so make sure you type something that your fellow attendees can recognize. Once you've entered your name, just tap Join Meeting, and you'll be on your way to joining the session. It's worth noting that if you already have a Microsoft account, using it to sign in can provide a smoother experience and may offer you additional features like meeting chat and the ability to share files. Signing in might also help if you have recurring meetings or if you've been using Teams for other purposes. Just to recap, the key takeaway here is to use the meeting link provided to access the Teams app directly. From there, you can decide whether to join as a guest or sign in with your account. This process is designed to be as user-friendly and straightforward as possible, ensuring that you can connect with your colleagues virtually with ease and confidence. I hope this guide has clarified how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invite link. Remember, preparatory steps such as ensuring that Teams is installed on your device or that your account is ready to go could save some time and avoid last-minute technical issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your next Teams meeting to be engaging and productive.